Well, for those who have been using water guard or chlorine to safeguard their water, especially the drinking water, those things were banned in Germany a very long time ago after they realized the excessive use of that may cause cancer because it hardens the cell membrane. So the best water to take is a mineral water that does not have the chlorine ions. Because these chlorine ions, when they get into the body, they harden the cell membrane. And that is when now the problems start. So now, if you go to hospital and doctor tells you to take enough water, sufficient water, not too much water, sufficient water, you need mineral water, not water with too much water guard, chlorine. That is not what doctor means because mineral water is easily absorbed in the body because it has small molecules. But this other water, it has very big molecules that are not absorbed in the body. So now, well, here we have the alkaline water flask. This flask is very easy to use because sometimes you realize that you need to spend too much money every day to be refilling water. But this flask will help you with all that work because it's just a matter of putting water inside and you wait for around 10 minutes and then you can drink that water. That water will be already alkaline with a pH value of 9.5. This one will start neutralizing a lot of acids in your body. So it will prevent acidosis and a lot of things, a lot of problems that come because of too much acids like ulcers. And even it is very essential for those people who are diabetic because if you drink this water, I think those people who are diabetic, they can tell that if you take mineral water, you may spend some time before taking another water than when you take just the normal water from the tap, the water with chlorine ions. Because this water will not be absorbed in your body and your body will demand another water. Those people who have been sick, they can tell the difference. And most of the times you will realize that they will need to refill water so that this water is absorbed into their body. Alternatively, you can be using, don melon. Those are so good to help the body absorb water. So here we have this flask, and this flask is active for 1 year. You can use it for 1 year. It is active. After you start using it, the medicine inside is active for 1 year. So you can use it as a family. If you are around 2 or 3 people, you put water here, then you put in glass, you take. Then it will act like a medicine because it has a lot of minerals. It will prevent too many problems that people are facing nowadays. And also it has a manual written what it works. If you Google, you will see all these things that I am talking about here. So this is something that will help you because it has all the essential minerals: calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc. They are all in here inside. So if you put water here and then you drink it, you'll have taken those minerals. Alternatively, again, you can be buying zinc minerals, calcium minerals, which it may be very expensive in the long run, especially those people who are diabetic or those with high blood pressure. It may take you a lot of money than just buying this flask. This flask goes for 8,000 shillings, active for 1 year, 12 months, and it will serve you best. And nobody who has ever complained about this flask. So you can search for it and you can buy it and you can use it. And this one, it's not only for the sick. Don't wait until you are sick. That is when now you start asking. I think there is alkaline flask that I had somebody mentioning them. It might be too late and you may need other supplements or other support and other medicines. So sometimes if you are feeling, dizziness, or if you are feeling like you are sick, too thirsty frequently, this is what you should be using because this will prevent upcoming degenerative disease. Degenerative diseases are very difficult to cure. They may take you too much time and too much money. But if you start living a lifestyle of taking exactly what the body needs, then you'll have prevented all the degenerative diseases. And they are very dangerous, very dangerous. So, this is something that everybody should have actually. This is something everybody should have because it will prevent you from going to hospital. Always check ulcers, always check the blood sugar, checking the BP, you know. So it will prevent you